Today I will discuss about the conversion of rational numbers into decimal by long division method. You know that every rational number can be represented in the form of decimal by using long division method. The representation can be either terminating or non-terminating repeating decimals. Now, terminating decimals. For example, 5 by 8 and second 629 by 125. You know that 5 divided by 8. First of all, here shift point, because 5 is less than 8. So right here decimal, then put 10, that is 50. So 8 6 48, subtract it, that is 2. Again put 10, that is 20. 8 2 16, 20 minus 16 4, put 10, then 8 5 40 equal to 0. Therefore 5 by 8 equal to 0.625. That is called terminating decimal. Why it is terminating decimal? Because the number of digits are finite after decimal places. Here 3 decimals places, 1 2 3. So it is terminating decimals. Similarly, 629 divided by 125, that is quotient is 5.032. So 5.032 is a terminating decimal. Now the example of non-terminating decimals, 25 by 12. So 25 divided by 12, you will get the quotients 2.0833 dot so on. So it can be written as 2.08. The digit 3 is repeated, so bar over 3. This symbol is called bar or vinculum or recurring. So 2.083 over bar, that means repetition of 3. If the denominators of a rational number in standard form has 2 or 5 or both as the only prime factors, then it can be represented as a terminating decimal. Now non-terminating repeating decimals. If the denominators of a rational number in the standard form has prime factors other than 2 and 5, then it cannot be represented as a terminating decimal. In fact, it is a non-terminating but repeating decimals. Worksheet 2. Express the following rational numbers as decimals by using long division method. Question 1. 21 by 16, 129 by 25, so on. Do the homework. Now 63 by 55. Divide 63 by 55. You will get the quotient 1.1454545 dot so on. So 63 by 55 is equal to 1.145 over bar. That means 445 is repeated. So it is called non-terminating repeating decimals. Question 2. Without actual division, check which of the following numbers have a terminating or which have a non-terminating repeating decimal representation. So 5 by 16. You know that here denominator is 16, and first of all find out the prime factors of 16, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So factors of 16 are only 2. So therefore 5 by 16 is a terminating decimal. 48 by 75. So remember, the given fraction can be written in the standard form or lowest term or simplest form, 48 by 75. Here 3 is common in numerator and denominator, so it can be written as 16 by 25. Now the denominator is 25, or 25 can be written as 5 into 5. The factors of 25 are 5 only. So therefore 48 by 75 is a terminating decimal. Solve the remaining questions, and thank you. Have a nice day.